Hello, I'm Mark Markeski. I will be showing you how to create a Patreon page. Patreon is a platform that allows people who are making artistic designs or articles or writing, and they can make money and have a direct relationship with their viewers and people who support them. So to get started, you go to Start My Page, fill out your name, email, what you want to put that as. I already have an account, so you start by logging in. Go to log in, and you have to pass the test. Oh, you're right in there. And here we are. After you start the startup page, you'll be given a few little information details. I've already had to give that. And what you go is what you about. You're going to tell what you're going to make a great Patreon about. So what are you creating? I'm writing creatively an analysis of electronic media. That's what I set up my website about. This would be if you wanted to make it more to a person, or if you're going for a group or some sort of name, brand name. Here's a profile picture of me. Here's a cover image. I already used what I created earlier in the class with a bookshelf image that was part of my website. And for About You, express who you are and what you're doing. Since I'm using the same kind of direction as my website, I'm just going to take from my website, place it here. Since it's not really a website, I'll say, well, this Patreon is presented to express my creative and analytical views in a literary manner. I'm pretty much pushing the same message, so I'm going to be presenting that as myself. You could have an intro video to try to say, what am I doing? What am I bringing to the people? I don't really have a direct message, so I'll put what I brought from my ASU starting page. I'll use that video. There we go. I have course introduction video. And if you want to connect to people, here's ways you can do it. If you're making a YouTube channel, if you have a Twitch for gaming kind of videos style, if you just want personal Twitter and Facebook interaction, you can use those. And here's the questions. You may have to make a username to what your Patreon would be. Just use my last name. Open. And there's an adult content if you're going to fall for that, if you're going to be involved with that, whether you're going to be for safer or more adult programming. And there's some other information. There's more podcast related stuff, and you can go on to the next stages. And a bit about Patreon, what makes it special is you create these tiers for people. And you can create a tier and say, all right, if you pay me this amount of money per episode or per month, I will give you benefits. And that's the best way that it works. It's a great system for Patreons to create a connection with each other and with the people that they support. So a tier title could be behind the scenes, because you can give them more information. I will be giving rough drafts and backstory work on my articles. So I'll be doing that. I'll be able to add that, add the benefit visible. I'll call them helpers and do that. You can call them what? You can put an image. You can save it, and there you have it. You can have goals. A great way to have goals is, what are your people going to do? And first, if I get $500 a month, I will upload weekly. You can add goals. You can say thanks to people. You are great to me. You know, all these things you can add to that. You can add your payments, how they want to do monthly or per creation. You can do that for people. You can give all these great things, and you can look at it, what it's going to look like. That's what it will be. And you can make a great Patreon for your people, and it will be great for your website. You just go there, you hit the submit, you hit yes, submit my page, and you will have a Patreon for people to enjoy. So thank you for watching my video. I've been Mark.